Hello friends, welcome to Ultrapixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 32-inch LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is double image and color changing issue. See friends, this is the fault. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the panel is short, then it is not repairable. Actually, this is just only a temporary solution. We can repair this panel by removing the gate signal shorting either from the left side or the right side of the glass panel. The permanent solution is panel replacement. But before replacing the panel, we can try our luck by removing the gate signal shorting from the glass panel. So let us start the repair. Hi friends, this is the motherboard and this is the panel. It's a 32-inch AEO panel. See friends, it's a single coff AEO panel. You can see the fault. So to repair this panel, we need to cut down the gate signal tracks either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. Since it is not a picture freezing issue, because of that, the Levelshifter IC modification method will not work. If the complaint is picture freezing issue, then we need to modify the Levelshifter IC by cutting down the LC1 and LC2 track, in which both VGH and VGL voltage will appear simultaneously as a pulsing voltage. We need to cut down the LC1 and LC2 track from the Levelshifter IC. Then we need to bypass the VGH and VGL voltages and check the picture is okay or not. But we cannot apply this method in this complaint because the complaint is double image and color changing issue. So to solve this issue, we need to cut down the gate signal tracks either from the left side or right side of this single coff panel. So here first we cut down the right side gate signal tracks. See friends, these are the gate signal tracks in the right side of the panel. After cutting down the right side gate signal tracks, here you can see the current situation. See friends, now the complaint is solved. Now there is no color changing issue and double image. Now the TV works properly. So here the gate signal shorting is with the right side gate signals. So after repairing by blocking the gate signals into the panel from the right side, now the shorting is removed and here you can see the result. Now there is no color changing and double image. So now the TV is repaired successfully. Please note that this is just only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on luck basis. If after cutting the right side gate signal tracks, the complaint remains same, then we need to rejoin the cutter tracks in the right side. Then after rejoining the cutter tracks, we need to cut down the left side gate signal tracks. If after cutting left side gate signal tracks, the complaint remains same, then that panel is not repairable. In that situation, panel replacement is the only solution. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.